Travel log, August 25th, 2019. First stop, White Sand Dunes National Monuments.
He rolls over and then he makes camel angels in the sand. Goes on his side. Yeah! Well, this is his Disneyland.
The White Sand Dunes National Monument is in New Mexico. The sunset here is so beautiful. You should totally visit. It's getting late. I don't want to get lost in the dunes. I'm gonna head back to my car. And yeah, this has been great. I'm gonna turn this off now. August 26th, 2019. I am in Texas now, driving to the Big Bend National Park. Gonna take a few photos and videos there. I almost got stranded in the middle of the desert because my fuel ran out. It's the Rio Grande, and so I thought it would be nice and full of water, and I thought it would be like gushing with water, but I think I'm in the wrong season. It's all scotched and half is dried up. And I'm getting burnt along with everything here. I'm just gonna rest for a little while. Even the air is it's like blowing hot air to my face. We have to make the best use of whatever we have. Make the best use. That's what we should do. Right when it starts to rain, maybe that's a good season because all the rocks, all the black ridges will be wet, so we can get this nice glossy kind of like a little reflective, but still the color pops out when it rains. If you notice, when it rains, everything is like pop, full saturation. You can get like the natural color when it's wet, and so when the rocks are wet, it's just beautiful when it's wet. And now it's all like dry, and it's dry. I mean, it's a desert. What do you expect? It's a lot of cacti, xeric landscape. I couldn't reserve any camping sites in advance, but I'm just gonna camp on top of my car. Park it here and camp on top of it. There's no breeze. It's like so still. Well, good night. I'm the only one here. Good morning. It's a beautiful spot. You can see the sunrise on this side, and I'll show you the other shot, which is on the other side. It's the canyon. It's beautiful when the sun sets. The sun sets behind the canyon, and sunrise is right opposite to the canyon. Beautiful. If anyone wants to camp in Big Bend, I would suggest this spot, which is the Santa Canyon Overlook. It's like this parking space is just right opposite to the two ridges with the river flowing. Just be safe, and you don't have to worry about animals, but people, yeah. That's the part I was talking about, the two ridges with the river in between them. That's the one. Let's get going to the next spot. And I'm going to be traveling east. I'm going to be traveling east, the French Quarters in New Orleans, and from there the Gulf Islands and a few beach shots, and then from there straight to Florida. I'm going to be traveling north to Savannah, Georgia, and then up north again to the Smoky Mountains, and then back to Santa Fe. I'm going to be traveling west. Let's hope that this trip is as productive as I'm hoping it to be. Fun, fun, fun. All right, wake up with the sun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ants everywhere. And they're not black ants, they're red ants. They bite, and if they bite you, it hurts. Right there, right, not behind me, but this side. It's just running right there with the ridge along it. It's beautiful.